Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of acne. Number 1. Coconut oil. Like other natural remedies, coconut oil contain anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial compounds. These properties mean that coconut oil may help eradicate acne causing bacteria and reduce the redness and swelling of pimples due to its soothing and moisturizing effects. Coconut oil may help speed up the healing of open acne sores. However, focused research on coconut oil as an acne deterrent is lacking. Number 2. Rosemary. Rosemary extract or Rosmarinus officinalis contains chemicals and compounds with antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Further research is needed to measure its effectiveness. However, a 2016 research article suggests that rosemary extract can reduce inflammation from the acne causing bacteria, pimple, and acne.